Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we've got the Eureka Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a sleek, lightweight stick vacuum designed to tackle everything from pet hair to deep dirt. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. At first glance, the Eureka NEC280WH looks like a straightforward solution for everyday cleaning. It comes with upgraded suction power, a 240% boost to help you clean not just surfaces, but those deep-set crumbs, dust, and pet hair. Whether you're on hard floors or low-pile carpets, it promises to get in there and lift the debris. The real question is, how well does it perform when the rubber hits the road? Or should I say, when the vacuum hits the dirt? First off, it's important to talk about the battery. The Eureka Cordless runs for up to 40 minutes on eco mode, and that's a good chunk of time for most cleaning jobs. In max mode, you'll get around 10 minutes of supercharged suction, which is useful for those heavier cleaning sessions. For those of us who can never seem to make it through an entire house in one go, the long battery life on eco mode is a real bonus. But of course, max mode will drain it quicker, so it's all about balance depending on your cleaning needs. Now let's talk usability. This vacuum is incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 5.3 pounds. For anyone with limited strength or who's just tired of lugging around heavy vacuums, this is a welcome change. The detachable parts and easy-to-install design make it simple to clean and set up. It's also compact enough that storage isn't a hassle. Always a big win if you're tight on space. What about the hard-to-reach places? The Eureka is built for those tough spots. Thanks to a nearly fully reclining design and a 180-degree rotating brush, you can get under sofas, beds, and other low furniture. The LED lighting adds an extra touch of convenience, illuminating areas that are typically shadowed, so you don't miss any dirt hiding out in the dark. Now, the filtration system. It comes with a 5-stage filtration process, which helps trap fine dust and prevent it from being blown back into the air. This could be a real game changer for allergy sufferers or anyone who wants a cleaner, healthier home. The added benefit here is its ability to reduce secondary dust pollution, which is essential if you've got pets or kids at home. Of course, no vacuum is perfect. While it performs well on hard floors and low-pile carpets, it might struggle with heavier or thicker carpets, as you would expect from a vacuum of this design and price point. It's not built for deep carpet cleaning, but it does a great job on lighter floors and in quick cleaning scenarios. This model includes a crevice tool and a dusting brush, which makes it handy for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and car interiors. Switching it from an upright to a handheld vacuum is a breeze, and those detachable parts really help you get into more challenging spaces. The easy rest function and wall mount also make it user-friendly, ensuring it's never in the way when not in use. When it comes to noise, it's quieter than some of the more powerful models out there, but the max suction mode can still get a little noisy. If you're particularly sensitive to sound, that might be something to keep in mind, especially if you're cleaning while the kids are napping or during late-night sessions. So, what about value for money? This Eureka vacuum isn't going to break the bank, and for the price, it offers solid suction power, decent runtime, and a solid filtration system. It may not be the best choice for a household that needs a heavy-duty carpet cleaner, but if you're dealing with mostly hard floors or low-pile carpets and want something lightweight with good performance, it's definitely worth considering. You get a lot of performance packed into a compact design, and at this price point, you'll find that it holds up well against other vacuums that are often twice the size and price. When we compare it to alternatives in the same category, it's clear that the Eureka stands out with its impressive suction power and ease of use. For example, some competitors may offer slightly more runtime or a broader array of accessories, but they might lack the lightweight feel and convenience of this model. Other vacuums at this price range might not perform as well on multiple surfaces, or may fall short when it comes to battery life or filtration, which gives the Eureka a bit of an edge in those areas. Build quality is another area where Eureka hits the right notes. It feels sturdy, but not too heavy, and the parts connect smoothly without feeling flimsy. Cleaning and maintenance are simple. You can easily empty the bin, clean the filters, and maintain the brush roll. though if you have long hair, you'll want to check the brush every so often to avoid tangling. The overall design is solid, and the vacuum doesn't feel cheap, despite being lightweight. Customer support from Eureka has been reliable, with positive feedback about response times and helpfulness. While I haven't personally needed to contact them for this model, their overall reputation for after-sales service is solid, which should give buyers peace of mind. All in all, the Eureka Cordless Vacuum Cleaner NEC280WH is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a convenient, versatile vacuum that handles pet hair, dirt, and dust across hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its lightweight design, powerful suction, and extended battery life make it a solid pick for families, pet owners, or anyone looking for a quick clean solution without the hassle of heavy equipment. If you're after something that offers quick, reliable cleaning without the bells and whistles of more expensive models, this could be exactly what you need. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Reviewsinsidetv, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future reviews. We've got more in-depth tests coming your way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the comments box for more details on how to get your hands on this Eureka Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Let me know what you think if you already own one. Your experiences matter. Until next time, happy cleaning, and goodbye from Reviews Inside TV, where we make your vacuum choices clearer than ever.